What's up, everyone? Okay, today's gonna be a short day. Maybe I just jinxed it, but doing a small fix. I'm calling this a fix. Some may think it's an upgrade, but when I put that front mount intercooler in on my car, I lost boost. So to fix boost, I'm gonna put a smaller pulley. So it's technically a fix. So that's what's on the menu today. The reason I think it's gonna be quick today is because the pulley is super accessible. It's right here in the front. Nothing really in the way, maybe just this radiator hose, but I think it should be quick. I know the belt's going to be difficult to put on, but maybe not so much with a smaller pulley. Last time I installed this belt, I had a second hand. I had someone holding or relieving the tension on the belt while I wrapped it around because it's just so tight on there. But yeah, hopefully this bolt's not too hard to remove. And watching some other videos and how to, I think you need to heat up this actual pulley to pull it out, but that's the game plan for today. Before I pull the pulley out, let's see what the new pulley looks like. I'm hoping it's compatible because I did not buy it from ESS. I figured Vortech pulleys should be interchangeable with each other. So this comes in a plastic bag. Oh god, this pulley is hella small. Yeesh. I hope it's not too small, actually. Jesus, this thing is small. Check out how small this pulley is next to the original. So, this one is a 3.125 inch pulley. This one is 86.5 millimeter. Again, we're doing metric versus SAE because I got this from Vortech, and I didn't get like the upgraded one from ESS. I meant it's a Vortech supercharger. Should be compatible, right? This is also the reason I chose the 3.125 inch diameter pulley. The one I have right now is an 86.5 millimeter. So that would make it, it's not even listed on ESS website anymore, but it's somewhere between the 475 and 525 kit. The one I got is a 3.125 inch, oops, and that is equivalent to 79 millimeters, which is the smallest pulley that ESS offers for this supercharger kit. So that's why I'm assuming it's compatible, and that's for a 550 horsepower kit or rated. I guess damn it, the dash 6 is basically the 6 rib or dash a slash. So the S54 slash 6 is the 6 rib version, and since I didn't have a 7 rib pulley, I didn't even bother with the selections down there. But yep, that's why I went with the S54 slash 6 79 millimeter or 3.125 inch equivalent, because that's the smallest that is offered by ESS, which I believe should be a safe size to run on their kit. Here's a side view. So the pulley width looks correct. It's like a 6 rib. This snout, I want to say, kind of sticks out more than the original. So, not sure if that bolt's gonna work. Might need to get a bigger one. We'll see. Okay, that ain't gonna work. Okay, I knew it wasn't gonna be easy. Um, I can't get the bolt out with the impact, so what I'm gonna do next is heat it up. I put this little heat wrap around the radiator hose to protect it from any heat. I have to heat up the pulley anyways. I think that's how you need to remove the pulley itself. Um, so maybe the heat will also help get this bolt removed. So, got my little torch. I'll start her up. Here we go. Finally got that bolt off, and thankfully the pulley comes right off. The way I finally got it off was borrowed a bigger impact driver from the homie, and yeah, that's it. Oh my god, the radiator hose is in the way. You would think this was gonna be a quick job. Okay, I need two hands. Here's a closer look of the pulley difference. I was actually wrong with this snout being a little bit bigger. I think it's just on the other way. So I guess the way ESS installed it onto the car is this way, with the snout pointing the supercharger, and the universal pulley from Vortech kind of just has the printed logo on the side that goes into the supercharger. So yeah, looks like it's the same height. So this pulley is keyed. What I mean by that is there's a little notch that just lines up with that. Again, the longer snout side goes inward, so kind of sucks. The nice little logo won't be visible, but try and get it on here with one hand. Damn radiator hose. Okay. Hopefully it fits. There it is. Now I just gotta get the bolt. And I'm gonna hit it with an impact. Shit. I did this earlier in the video, but to get the belt back on, I just need to relieve the tension on the belt by that pulley tensioner using an 8mm Allen. That should give me the slack to wrap the belt back around the new smaller pulley, and it should be easier given that it's smaller diameter, so hopefully this part doesn't take long. Okay, I got the pulley belt on, and probably the easiest and quickest thing out of this whole thing. Lesson learned, don't ever say something's going to be quick and easy, because it never is with these projects. To be fair, I did take like an hour to get that impact driver from my friend, so thanks to him for helping me out. So yep, everything is done. I do need to schedule another dyno tune to get the car dialed in, because with the smaller pulley and higher boost pressure, I will need to retune. So until the next one.